Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot chocolate with Readymade powder. First, gather your ingredients, your favorite hot chocolate mix, milk, and any toppings you desire. Next, select a mug that brings you joy. Finally, make sure you have a way to heat your milk, either on the stovetop or in a microwave. It's a simple process for a delicious treat. Now, let's get that milk ready. For each serving, measure out 1 cup of milk. You can heat it on the stovetop over medium heat, stirring occasionally until it's warm and steamy, but not boiling. Or, if you prefer, microwave it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Just be careful not to let it boil over. We want it perfectly warm for our chocolate. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your ingredients fresh or even packing a lunch. You can find the link for these containers and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Once your milk is perfectly warm, it's time for the magic. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of your Readymade hot chocolate powder into your chosen mug. Then, slowly pour the warm milk over the powder while stirring continuously. This helps prevent lumps and ensures a smooth, creamy texture. Keep stirring until all the powder is completely dissolved. You're almost there. Now for the fun part, toppings. Feel free to get creative. Add a generous dollop of whipped cream, some fluffy marshmallows, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon. A drizzle of chocolate syrup can also elevate the flavor. Take a moment to taste your delicious creation. If you like it sweeter, you can always add a little more powder. Enjoy your perfect cup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.